Hi everyone, my name's Allie and today we are going to be looking at a diamond painting. This is by FeeLook Art and they sent me this diamond painting to share with you. I'm going to preface this video with saying I have not made a YouTube video in a very long time, meaning probably 3 years, 4 years, something like that. I do have an Instagram. I post on there once in a while. I really actually have been thinking about trying to post more often, and it was very funny when they had emailed me asking if they could send me a painting to show. Right at that same time, I was thinking about trying to put up a video. So this is my first video back, so please go easy on me. I'll have to try to get into the groove of it. And I'm not going to promise that I will do it that often, but I'm hoping to become a little bit more active and get to know people in the community. When I started out as a YouTuber, I was mainly a card maker. So a lot of things on my channel are card making videos. But I am, like many people, a multi-crafter. So I diamond paint, I cross stitch, I color, I still make cards. Yeah, so again, this is from FeeLook Art, and I have never tried them before. I just started seeing them on some people's YouTube videos. I had never heard of them before. So first thing I did was go to their website and I wanted to check it out, and it's very user-friendly website, very nice website. I like that they have collections for all of us who are completionists or gotta have it all. I do like that. And there are a couple diamond paintings I would like to get from them if I find this enjoyable. So I am actually going to complete this painting, so I probably will make a couple more videos on it. Just my thoughts on it, and everything I say on this video is just my opinion, and my opinion only. But first look at this. It was packaged really nice when it came. No problems with that. I love this blue box. Blue is my favorite color, and it's very sparkly and it's embossed. So it's a really nice box. I love that they have a saying, when tiny sparks become masterpieces. And they have the picture on the side here. Hopefully you can see that good. My painting is called White Tulips, and this is a 48 by 58, and that is the fabric size, and then the design size is a 40 by 50, and this is a round. I think that all of their paintings are around. Forgive me if I'm incorrect, but it looks like everything right now is. And now for me, that does not bug me that the sticker is on the side, because I store my diamond paintings a couple different ways. Other people, I know they like the sticker on the end, because that's how they can tell. So maybe that would be an idea for the future. This explains to you the contents and how to diamond paint. This I was surprised to see there in Chicago, because I know they are worldwide, but I got this painting very fast from when they said they were going to send it to me, and I didn't think I would have. And then all their socials are on the side here. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. And also their paintings are poured glue. And bear with me. Okay. And they do have their little logo inside here too. And I'm going to pull out the painting. Very nice. comes with a little pamphlet here. Again, you've got your step-by-step instructions and your kit contents. They have back here where if you wanted to put your start date and completion date, you can keep this with your painting. And then here, it is packaged very nice and tight. And you've got your nice soft backing and scalloped ends. Now, I am probably going to have to pull this painting up and down for you because you're probably not going to be able to see it. I am going to roll this painting, so hopefully it'll lay bit more flat for us. If you are seeing this blue stuff, I apologize. That is my son's Play-Doh. I've only got one craft area, one desk, so it's kind of like a multi-crafting area. So I was trying to clear it off this morning. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. I'm going to push it up so you can see on the bottom you have your little picture and then the information on the painting. Again, it's called White Tulips. You've got your socials here. It says eco-responsible canvas, made to last, made with care, no bleed, no waste, no compromise. It is very sticky. It looks very clear, very nice symbols. You've got your legend on both sides. I was going to say, what in the heck is that one on there? But it looks like it's going to be a really nice big special for her earring. So that'll be exciting to see. And then we get to the top of the painting. And you've got your FeeLook art up here. And again, their little logo. And yeah, I mean, the painting is beautiful. It's got a couple little ripples in here, but that's not a big deal. That's more this top coat. And this, it's not ultra thick and it's not ultra thin, so it's a nice medium. So overall, just looking at the canvas, it's a beautiful canvas. And then we've got the diamonds here. I'm just taking a look at them. I'm going to show you a little bit. They look very nice. I'm kind of interested to see what this one will look like. I'm going to open these up. Again, I love blue, so I was really attracted to that blue background, and I just thought it was a really pretty painting. I love her blue eyes. Now I'm just going to give you a quick look at these. Now, it did say there's a little bit of trash in there that they did have acrylic diamonds, but then it also says on their website that it's new, that they have resin. So I'm gonna believe that all of these now are resin. They look very, very nice. I'm someone who, when I watch unboxings, I don't really care to look at all of the diamonds. If you want me to go into a little bit more depth with them, you can let me know, but I usually speed through those parts. But here is our big yellow gem that's going to go right there in her earring, and that is going to be gorgeous. I have never done a painting with like a big jewel or like the square jewels or anything like that. So that will be fun. And then you've got this one. And so I think you've got the white AB, and that's it. So you've just got the one white AB and then the one big gemstone. And so the white AB will be, it looks like here in the tulips. You've got it scattered throughout the background. And then a little bit on her dress. So that'll be nice. And we've got the toolkit. Now I am someone who would love if all the diamond painting companies would ask you if you want a toolkit or not. I don't do anything with my toolkits. I have my own tools that I use, so usually I just throw this stuff out. But we have these little numbers that you can use to kit up. We've got 2 little boats. We've got the tweezers. They look pretty sharp. Now, I heard that their tweezers didn't go together. I don't know if you can see that. They don't totally go together. Now, I don't really use tweezers except for picking off glue or something off my canvas, so that's not going to bug me. You got 2 little baggies. And then I think this is, yeah, 2 wax pads. This pen, this is a very pretty pen. Different. Maybe you can put the strips of wax in here and then push it down. But I'm not going to open up all the way. So that's kind of neat. I might try it just to try it and see how it works, but I like to multi-place a lot, so I don't see me using this that often. So the only thing for me I would say is really missing is a picture for my logbook. I really like when companies have the picture and sort of more like a legend to kit up with instead of just the numbers. But I will use it regardless and see how that works. But overall, the painting looks beautiful. I am going to work on it. Again, I will show updates so you can see how it's going. But I just want to thank you for tuning in. And if you like this video, hopefully I'll start putting more out if you want to subscribe to me. And you may also see in the future some other things. But I would definitely say go check out FeeLook Art and try one out. They're having all sorts of deals all the time. I went on today, and if you sign up for their email, you get 15% off. But then also I saw, like, if you spend $100, they have 20% off. If you spend more, you get more off. So they do have a bunch of deals, it seems like. So it's worth a try. And let me know if you have done a FeeLook painting and if how it turned out, if you liked it. So thanks for tuning in and have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.